Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a polygon shape in your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option, this menu bar, and here you will find this shape option. Click on this down arrow. There are many kinds of shape and one of them polygon, and click here polygon and click on your mouse cursor and give polygon perfect shape and create a own custom corner. This is a hexagonal polygon shape, and you can increase this line thickness here and change color, and this line style also you can change, and so you can increase decrease this polygon size. You can rotate this one and also I'll insert another polygon. This is a pentagon, and declare add this one and increase this size, and I'll make a solid line, this color also, and see this. In this way you can create own custom polygon shape on your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.